Hello guys, welcome to Ankit Chandra. Today I'm gonna tell you how to use Marrow for your PG entrance exam. Marrow is very user friendly and very simple application to use. One thing which you have to keep in mind is make sure the notification of the app is on so you get all the important dates, all the updates and MCQ of the day. Make sure you always try to solve MCQ of the day. Most of the people take plan B, which is question bank with test series. If you look into that, there are a lot of questions, so it may become impossible to finish all of them when simultaneously you are doing your coaching and you are trying to solve the questions of your coaching also. So my tip number one is that whenever you are finishing any topic in your coaching or you are finished reading particular topic, try to solve its MCQ on the same day. Do not try to finish the whole subject in the same day. If you try to finish the whole subject, if you try to apply all the modules, then it will become very cumbersome and you will be very tired at the end of the day. What strategy you have to use is, if you are solving question banks, then try to solve at least 2-3 modules of each subject. Take 2 to 3 subjects per day and try to solve them. And do not forget to use an option of customizing your module. Try to customize your module based on your incorrect attempts or your bookmark questions. When you attempt any question and if your answer is wrong, do not look at the reference and then leave it there. Bookmark it and then also look at the reference by your own in the textbook or the notes which you have prepared. If you find that point is new to you, you put a star and jot it down that point in your personal notes. When you revise the topic again, you can see that is a star mark that when a question came from particular line or particular thing which you found it new that time, this time you will make sure to revise it and it will imprint in your memory. When you bookmark any question or you bookmark any pearls, you have to revise those pearls or those bookmark questions while you are traveling or whenever you see you have a free time, you are waiting in a queue or anywhere, because revision is very, very important. Because few times you will put a correct answer just by luck, but you may not know its basic or concept. Go through the basic or to develop that concept of that particular topic for your future. Another thing which I would like to add is never miss your grand test or any particular test which are upcoming, which is given by the Marrow. Like initially what you can do is you can solve a mini test of like 1 or 2 minute tests per day, and then slowly you can increase your timing with the application. Like as soon your exams are coming, so right now if your exam is coming up in December, so at the end, so during the November time you should be able to finish grand test. And what I feel is before the exam, solving previous year questionnaires are very, very important. Solving the recent update questions are very, very important. And with that you can solve other extra MCQs and revise your bookmark question. Revision, I'm telling it again, do not forget to revise your bookmark questions or your bookmark pearls. Those will help you a lot, and jot them down in one piece of paper if you feel, or in your notes. Add it on in your coaching notes, which will give you an extra edge. With the application you can start half an hour a day, then 1 hour a day, then go to 3 hours a day. Slowly you can increase your time with the mobile application. That if initially you start your 3 hours per day with the application, you may feel tired. Slowly build up a time, because sitting in front of a screen will exhaust you a little more. So slowly you have to increase your time. So hope these tips would have helped you. See you guys in next video. Tata, bye bye.